Yeah. You ready, Mike?
Yeah.
Whoa! Why do it runs?
Okay.
No. It doesn't like your longer arm.
Really? It helped. We could tell right away. Oh. That's pretty good height, though.
Go.
Wow. That's pretty good. That's
Go.
Ready?
Yeah.
good. I like it. Another 10 yards. Yeah. Right there.
Yeah.
Video ready?
Yep.
Alright.
Wow.
Yep.
Right.
Ready?
Yeah.
That's good.
Go.
Okay. Alright. Got it?
I don't think it's gonna work.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, I know, I'm looking at it.
Hold on.
You guys, hurry up!
Trying not to die.
You-
I hear that grinding.
Head out of the way, Anthony.
Huh?
Your head out of the way.
I know, I'm watching it. Ready?
Come
Mike?
on!
What?
Hurry up! I have low battery!
Alright. Whoa! That's pretty good.